She don't believe in shooting stars, but she believe in shoes and cars. Wood floors in the new apartment, couture from the store's departments. You more like love to start shit. I'm more of the trips to Florida, order the hors d'oeuvres, views of the water, straight from a page of your favorite author. And the weather's so breezy, man, why can't life always be this easy? She in the mirror dancing so sleazy. I get a call like, where are you, Yeezy? And try to hit you with the old wapty, till I got flashed by the paparazzi. Damn, these niggas got me. I hate these niggas more than a Nazi.
I know you love to show off, but I never thought that you would take it this far. What do I?
Go, 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 go. That's who you, she on the road. She riding it like carnival. I don't need the impossible. Go, 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 go. That's who you, she on the road. She riding it like carnival. I don't need the impossible.
Way too rich to drive a Rolls. Made a milli out the stove. She like to put it in her nose. Pretty bitch with white toes. I done put on all the bros. I done put her in the rose. I done put up in the ghost. I done reached all my goals. Yeah, yeah, pull up with Yeezy and dollar sign. I'm all about business, I'm man of man. Pull up in the trees like Caliban. Pull up with a rocket like number 9. I don't want your hoes. Your nigga reach all the goals. Let her suck the dick, said she was a pro. She straight with teeth, I'ma tell her to go. Go, 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 go. Hair so good, she an honor roll. She a ride a dick like a carnival. I done did the impossible. Go, 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 go. Hair so good, she an honor roll. She a ride a dick like a carnival. I done did the impossible.
She brought it like she's facts. We turn up to the max. I whop her from the back. I gave that bitch a cramp. They love me out in France. In the hood, I'm good, I'm stamped. Every day I dress all black. For sure 900 racks. To the East Coast, double that. On my neck, a bubble back. On my wrist, new Cadillac. Cause I all don't want a bag. Little bitch, I'm a superstar. These hoes wanna fuck my car. My dog put a nigga in park. Gotta watch out for the noise. Ay.
This the Game of Thrones, Yeezy not the clones. Elon, where my rocket ship? It's time to go home. They served us the part since the day we was
music down and get the Zoom link sent out quickly, and then we'll be off to a roll, right? DK, what's good, bro? Good to see you again. Good to see you, man. How you been doing? 2 pips today or what? Time to get those 2 pips. Cool. We are... let me get rid of these. We are pushing on EuroUSD right now. Jazz, do you remember me? Yeah, of course, bro. Of course. I remember everyone. I've got the best memory in the world. Spion, what's good, bro? Atomic Habit, good morning. Good morning. How you doing? Cataline Gabriel, what's good? How was your morning? Yo. Yeah, I'm gonna get straight into this breakdown, yeah, because we have, let's see, let me send this over here. We've got a lot of news today, right? We've had some news at 8:15. We had French manufacturing PMI. Are the numbers out? Yeah, cool. So we had that. Now we've got German PMI in about 6 minutes, which is gonna directly affect Euro USD. So we need to take that into account in our analysis. We'll see what that does first. Break down the charts and then see if we can get anything, catch the wave. But yeah, cool. So let's do the analysis. Obviously, again, starting from the weekly, we closed last week bearish, but we did close respecting. If you go back to Monday's analysis, you will see that we said we've grabbed liquidity and closed above all support levels, which means that we're likely to continue up this week. And what have we done? Exactly that, right? We said we'd come up to test somewhere around this area at 109,400. Now, can we do that today? Possibly, right? Possibly. Obviously, news could push us up there, or it could just be a push from today or tomorrow. But either way, we did exactly what we said we were going to do on the analysis. So that was a W for sure. Now, in terms of the daily, we're just pushing up, no bottom wick. There's a lot of bullish volume, I believe. News, let me just check. Yeah, news just pushed us straight up. So no bottom wick yet, but I don't think that's going to play too much of an impact. EuroUSD often moves without much of a bottom wick or top wick. So yeah, overall, extremely bullish, right? Extremely bullish. Drop to the 4 hour now, same sort of thing, right? We have no bottom wick on this 4 hour. Now, that is a bit more of an issue than the daily not having a bottom wick for me, but can we come down and grab one and flip up? I don't know, potentially. We'll have to wait for the close to see, but yeah, we are also coming up to some levels here which could impact us. We could start to reject off of, but we're going to have to wait and see for news in 4.5 minutes, see what that does, and then react accordingly. Cool. I didn't send out the Zoom link again. Wait, one sec. All right, cool. Yeah, it's out. Nice. Okay, so in terms of the 1 hour, we are pushing into completely new ranges, right? Sells are pretty much out of the question for me so far. If we were looking for sells, we need to break back below this level, and then we need range 2, which is going to be below here at 107,978, I believe, somewhere around there. Maybe even lower, right? Maybe even, yeah, down here. The sells are a long way away, right? But can we get some buys? Potentially, right? Potentially. So what can we look at? Well, you see we have a level here, right? Can we catch anything on a close above there? Potentially. Let me see. It's going to have to be, for me, I believe, any closures above 108,989 here. We can take that for buys coming up to fill this gap up here. Decent advantage point. Yeah, 10 pips for a break-even point, which is great, but we're gonna have to wait for a closure above there. In this range, news can do anything to us, so I don't want to be taking too much around there. But that's what I'm looking for in terms of EuroUSD today. Potentially, if we get some price action forming on news, we can jump on the wave. If not, we'll wait for some closures after news and yeah, see how it goes. Cool. Let's see. Sales below. Nice. Crypto Maniac, what's good, bro? Sichaba, what's good? Baron, Abdullah, Peter, Rays, W, all of you guys. Shaz Hussein says, could you please a little bit about the yesterday's FOMC minutes? Why did AU become bullish after that? What do you think about news trading? I flipped my 15 account to $50 and it got blowed yesterday. I'll come back to that after the analysis, bro. Mad. Okay. Yeah, good morning, Mateus. What's good? Eugene, what's good? Good morning. Cool. So, looking at the weekly on gold, we are pushing, right? We've engulfed this previous candle. We closed somewhere above this level here at 2018. I believe we're going to continue to push up to 2063. We did say as well that we were in a part of this wider range, right? And every time we faked out of this range, I believe we looked at it on the daily, right? This is what we said in yesterday's stream. We said that we were in a wider range between these two areas. Let's just push it up. And actually, we'll put it here. And every time we'd faked below this area and closed back in, we tend to fill up the range to at least 2055. And that's what we've started to do now. So I do believe that at some point we should come and tap 2055.4 before we make any other moves. So can we see some pushes today? Potentially, right? But overall, bullish on gold as well. So what does that mean in terms of, we have 1 minute left before news, so I want to get this analysis done. But in terms of news, right, we have in terms of structure, what do we have? In terms of sells, it's going to be 2021 is going to be our level here. Actually, it's going to be 2020.8, but essentially the same thing, right? That's going to be our first level for sales, and then secondly, it's going to be below. Right, wait. Actually, let's do this. I think we're going to have 2020. Where was it? I saw a level here yesterday when we were looking. Yeah. 2022 or 2023.4 is going to be our range 1, and range 2 is going to be below 2020.86. Now, in terms of buys, what are we looking for? I believe we can have a level for buys at 2034.46. Every time we've closed above there in the past, we have proceeded to drive up to tap at least 2038. So we can take advantage of that push for sure. I would also say, yeah, you know what? We'll have our first level for sales here. Second range for sales is going to be down here. But to be honest with you, I'm not really looking for sales today on anything. So we're going to wait for some closures and see how price forms and act accordingly to that. Wow, exactly my levels. Good stuff, man. Good feeling, right? Cool. We are pushing as well on gold and EURUSD, but we're going to watch EURUSD for this 30 closure, see how the news comes out, see if we can catch anything in terms of that. And yeah, any questions about the analysis, feel free to fire away, right? The whole point of me being here is so that you lot understand it more than anything else. So if you don't understand, then I'd rather you ask than just sit there and pretend you do. Wizard. What's good, Cam? How you doing? Right, I just bought a futures challenge, Cam. So I'm joining you. EURUSD is rejecting off this level though, I'm not gonna lie. Let's go, baby. Yeah. I'm excited, to be honest. I'm excited. Probably gonna blow it because I've never traded futures before, but we'll see. You know what, chat, there's also, sorry, I've just seen this. Sometimes I come to the charts and I do my first analysis, then I see another level, but I do believe if we close below here, we should come and fill down. So that's going to be a range 1, and then we'll take range 2 sales below the next level, which I will now push down to 108.282, and that's going to be what I'm looking for. But yeah, same thing. Big rejection here though on EURUSD. I'd rather us form some structure, but obviously we're not going to do that since news is well, has it happened? Oh yeah, it has, right? My bad. Completely missed that. But yeah, we're not going to do that. So we'll see, right? If this can flip, then you're potentially looking to drive up, but there's nothing I want to take in this range. There's too much chop to this side here for me to take anything. What would be good now is if we could flip, close above this level, and then continue to push. So we must have got one positive news and one negative news then, right? Let me just check. Like, French news must have been positive and German must have been negative. Yeah, exactly what happened. So look, the French PMI came out positive, which pushed price up. Germans come out neutral and negative. So that's pushing price back down. So it's going to be a bit of an interesting one. The hourly is looking like it might flip soon. We'll see. That might just lead to us sort of just closing in the range and forming a bit of structure for a while. And ranging for, I don't know, next few hours. Jordy, what's good, bro? Let's go, chat. A lot of activity this morning. I like to see it. I like to see it. So, gold has come and tapped our level and rejected pretty strongly. Now that does mean that that's another confirmation of this 2034.4 level being valid, right? It's another rejection, which someone asked me yesterday, like what that means, but it just shows that your level is even more valid, you know? If it didn't reject at all, then, like, you know, it's not doing its job. I took that dang wick entry, but spread. Oh, mad. Yeah, spread's tough. DJ, what's good, brother? How we doing? Noodle Holes, good morning. Cedric Diggory, good morning. That's active today. I like it. I like it. Yeah, but chat, could be a big day today. As we said, even New York has a lot of news today, right? So New York session, there's unemployment claims, PMI. So because of that, there should be a lot of volume in the charts today. Potentially we might range, but there will be volume, especially between 130 and 245. A lot of potential today, chat. A lot of potential. 8 AM would have been clean, closed above 2031, but broke the high, no bottom wick, so no entry. Yeah, I was looking at it. I was literally watching this candle close. And yeah, nothing for us to take. Tough. Austin, good morning. What's good, bro? Bro. Yeah, any questions you want to ask? Any questions at all, feel free to fire away. Victory settings, what's good? Drop a like, drop a sub. Yeah, he's right. Drop a like for the free analysis again, chat. It really does help out, so if you leave that like, I appreciate it. Wanted to grab buys above 2034 because looking left we rejected off that point multiple times. Yeah. 2034 is a good level to take buys, man. If you see as well, every time we close above here, we should at least come up to this area here at 2038. We did it here, we did it here, and we did it here. And I believe, yeah, I mean, in the past we've gone up higher. We did it here as well. Every time we came and tapped this level. So this is what I'll be looking for in terms of advantage points, break-even points, or probably, to be honest, take profits. That's a good, what, 26 pips, 28 pips, 28 pips. Anyone catch anything in Asian or London before we jumped on? Anyone get any trades? I know a lot of you trade in like Asian and that sort of thing, so. What's going on in SG? What's good, Sachaba? How we doing? Bro, what is this disco music? Skip that. Skip that. Elevator ass music, yeah, for real. Tom, what's good, bro? Hotel lobby, yeah, you're right. Too easy. Good. No Janez this morning. Did he find another dog? Yeah, I don't know. I didn't speak to him this morning actually, so I don't know. But he's chilling. What's good, Tom? How you doing? Oh, Janez is sick. Okay. Oh, peak. Well, get well soon, Janez. Pitbull. How are you doing? Cool name. I just realized that, yeah, what that meant. But yeah, cool. I've been good, bro. How are you? The Zoom is packed. What's good, Zoom? Whole gang showed up. Yeah, for real. Wade, what's good, bro? Good seeing him, man. Super late for that guy. It's like, what is it now for you? Like 4 AM or something? Angry Fat Bear caught 19 pips from the previous 4-hour flip in EU. Should let it run. Let me see it. Yeah, nice. Should have let it run, yeah. But you can't say that, right? It's news, so I mean the best thing to do is close before news, especially if you're in profits. Wait, it's only 12:39. Oh, chillin'. Yeah, that is chopped. Unless you confirm 4 hours sleep. You can do it, I reckon. Let's see, chat. Let's see how it's going. We've just kind of sat here now for about, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. I don't know what's going on. I believe we're going to form some structure. Originally wanted a wick entry at 2031 for buys, but didn't see that rejection level from the past, so I didn't enter it. Yeah, nice, bro. Yeah, I can't. There's no wick entry here for me. I want us to close above over here. ETH broke 3k again. Had 3k as my TP yesterday. Bro, it's above 3k. That's fire. That's sick. I could trade a 4 hours sleep, but now that I'm funded much more, I feel like I don't need to stress myself out. Yeah, not true. There's no pressure, right? There's no rush. I'm just excited to start this futures challenge, see what it's about. It'll be fun. What's good, TJ? This is Sleepyhead.
Morning, mate.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. You?
I'm good,
Oh,
mate.
hang on, hang on a second.
I'm good. And just like that, he's gone. Is futures and forwards the same thing? Alright, what is forwards? I've never heard of that. Am I tripping or what? Futures as in stocks / crypto. Nah, I'm just gonna be trading gold. But you know how all the props, like prop firms and all of that, are having issues at the minute. I thought I'd just go over to futures. Plus, it's yeah, crazy cheap. Crazy cheap to do futures thing. Prop firms. Opposite of backwards. Yeah, good one, Tom. Classic humor. I'm on my way to Zoom. See you there, Eugene. Saw forwards on my broker. Wasn't too sure what it was. Yeah, bro, I don't think I've heard of that. I'm not gonna lie. Kayak or Kajak. Bro, you have to tell me how to pronounce your name because every time I'm like, is it Kayak or Kajak? I don't know. But yeah, I trade with IC markets on my personal, but in prop firms I trade think markets mostly. Moonwalk versus Worm. Who you got? Moonwalk.
Sorry, mate.
Sorry, mate. How's life been treating you?
Yeah, good. I held that gold buy that Don sent in yesterday till this morning. Fell asleep.
Don sent gold buys?
Yeah, last night.
Oh, mad. So what? You're sitting. Where did he enter? Like 2020. What? It must have been late.
2023.
Mate, you held it till this morning.
Hang on, let me
Is that like 80 pips or something?
hang on, where is it?
Big dubs. It's like kayak. Yeah, okay, cool. I did think that. That's why I originally said it, but I didn't want to be saying the wrong name, you know.
Look at your Discord.
Jesus. Wait, can I put it on screen?
Yeah, go for it.
What TJ's caught. This is a monster of a trade. Sheesh. That's like 2023 to 2032. Like 90 pips. That's nuts. A nice little
Thank you,
runner.
Donny boy.
A nice little runner. Did Don close like 10 pips or something? Oh no, he got 2 pips. Oh no, it was break even. What? Oh, that was a different one. He took sales. Oh, well, anyway, it doesn't matter. I'm trying to see what happened. TJ going crazy, yeah, for sure.
He definitely sent notice like late last night for us, and then I think Asian session he sent sales.
No, all good. Bang, what prop firm you say was cheap? Oh, nah, I was talking about futures. All the Forex props are quite expensive, but obviously, if you can still get access to them, which we can in the UK, we can't really in America there. So, well, I don't know if you can actually, but yeah, I was just looking at futures because the way they do it is they charge like monthly rather than like a flat fee. So I bought a 300k challenge with some futures firm. Mad. Should be alright. How did you fall asleep with that trade on there? You forgot about it.
Mate, to be like, I sort of said it. It was only like a small risk trade, to be honest. So I just sort of said it, and then I had dinner. Then we was just chatting, and then I just sort of forgot about it. And I woke up and I was like, I looked at TradingView, and I'd actually put a position on. I thought, did I close that? And I opened my MetaTrader, and it was just up. And I was like, I'll tell you what, just go break even and just drive home and see what happens. And then, yeah, just closed it just about 5 minutes ago.
Mad. Fair enough, mate. Those are the best there. When you forget it. Oh, so good. So good.
I was lucky it didn't have to make a bit more of a bottom wick.
Chat. Any questions you have about the analysis or whatever it is? Fire away. Someone sent something earlier, but I forgot to read it. So if you want to re-ask your question, you can. Bro, we're just hovering here.
Eurusd's pushed through as well.
Yeah. There's no wicks though on anything. It's super weird. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 previous hourly candles, no bottom wick. That's so stressed. Murat, what's good, bro? Euro would be trying one more high. 109,492 will be the pin. DXY makes it. Maybe. Maybe.
Probably.
What do you think about sell stop at the 1 hour low? I'm not looking for sales on Eurusd or gold. For gold. Yeah. Golf? Golf? Nah, I get you. Gold. It's okay. No, I can't take sales here. Sell stop here. Firstly, it's range 1. Secondly, it's closed above the level, so you'd have to close below first and then look for something. But yeah, I would need range 2 at least for that to happen. But that's not going to be up for a while for us, to be honest. It's just so bullish. Yeah. But if it's in your plan, right? If you can take it and you know that that's a profitable setup for you, and you have data to back it up, then take it, right? Just because I don't take it doesn't mean you can't take it. So yeah, doesn't mean that it's not going to make profits either. What are we training today? I've got a rest day, but I might go and do like cardio and abs or something, which is a horrible day. But yeah, back and arms, fair enough. What's the difference between futures and a standard prop firm? So like the prop firms that we trade are Forex prop firms, right? So stuff like TFT and whatever, they're on the foreign exchange market. So you execute with like lots and you know, pips and all that sort of thing, all the terminology that we're used to. Whereas like futures, you're trading contracts, and I believe the leverage is higher, or like the risk is higher. But it's just a different market essentially. But you can trade similar pairs, but it's more, futures is more like actual stocks and indices like NAS 100 or whatever. Whereas Forex is obviously more currencies, but you can also trade gold in futures. So that's what I'll be doing. But I need to suss it out first before I like actually jump in. Silent, what's good, bro? Tom Lanigan, run 3K plus 50 pull-ups. Bro, mad, what are you training for? What's your Instagram? My Instagram's at Trendlines. At Trendlines. There you go. Says he needs to check it out, buys max allocation. Bro, yeah, fair enough. You got me. I'm going big or go home, right? But it was just too much of an offer to pass up, right? I did buy max allocation though, yeah. Crypto Maniac, anyone here traded options? I can't understand the concept behind them. I've never traded them, right? But the concept is, right, you buy the opportunity to purchase. So you have an option to purchase. So let's say that, I don't know, you come to me and you say, like, I've got, I don't know, 10 watermelons, right? And the standard price for 10 watermelons is $100. And then I say, all right, I want to put an option to purchase those watermelons at $95 in a week's time or whatever. Then we sign the contract. I pay you a fee to have that option to purchase them down the line. And then, yeah, if the price goes up, I can exercise my options. If not, then if the price goes down and it's less than $95, obviously I'm not going to want to buy those watermelons for less than that. So I would just not exercise the option to buy. And then all I lose is the fee for the contract that I paid you. Pretty, I hope that makes sense. I tried to explain it simply, but I kind of got lost halfway through. But that's the basic concept. Obviously, I've never actually traded them, so you're probably better off asking someone who has. But the idea is, and how you make money and all of that, is you sell the contracts as well closer to the time. So like, if your contract's looking favorable, say you've got a contract to buy something at $100 and it's now worth $120, someone can buy that contract off you for $110, and then you made 10% difference, you know. Aditya, what's good? Josh, what's up, bro? How you doing? Good morning. Let's go, chat. There's 80 of you in here. Let's try and push for 50 likes again, chat. I know you can do it. You did it the past 2 days, so I appreciate you all very much. Leave a like though for the free education. Need to figure out where to. Alright. Fine. I don't like things on my screen too much, but we'll leave you here. Yeah. Everyone can look at TJ's chair. Free trading stream. Yeah, exactly that. Exactly that. Tyler, what's good, bro? Long time no see. How we doing? Of course, Tyler comes straight back in with the emo nonsense. Straight away. No hesitation. Cool, just checking that. No worries. Volume, what's good, bro? 50 likes for bottom wicks on the 4-hour candle opening. Yeah, good stuff. What we want to see, right? That's what we want to see. Okay, chat. What did you say? Sorry, Jules. What's good, bro? Good to see you in here again. ISG, I'm currently using CMC markets to trade gold, but it's spread betting, which I think is a little different to IC markets. It has about 3 pip spread. Is that a lot compared to IC markets? Yeah, bro, it's a lot. 3 pip spread is tough. I think, to be honest, IC markets for me is normally maximum 1 pip. Like, sometimes there's no spread. Yeah, Silent put the broker in the chat, but you don't want to be trading with 3 pip spread, bro. That's tough. Think about it, right? Because the spread works both ways. So let's say now that you're in buys, yeah, you have to you basically need 6 pips to break even. How are the withdrawals on IC markets, bro? They're good. Yeah, they're good. They're like pretty much next day, or like they process the same day, and then just depends on how long your bank takes to get them in. I think normally it takes like 3 to 5 business days or whatever, but yeah. SG is a commission on yeah, there's commission on IC market, but you need to get the raw spread account. So Jules, I don't know if you're you went for the wrong account, because I've got 100x leverage on IC markets, or 1 to 100 we call it, but no, yeah, it's 1 to 500, sorry. Yeah, but yeah, the commission's definitely worth it, right? $5 commission is nothing. That's per lot as well, so obviously if you're popping smaller lots, then you're only going to pay like 50p for a 0.1 lot. It's not like, it's fine. I have Blueberry, there's no commission. Yeah, but what's the conditions like? Because I've watched Don trade Blueberry for the last, like... Listen, also, I'm not, like, affiliated with IC Markets at all. I have a link, obviously, but I don't have, like, a deal with them. Maybe I'll get commission if you sign up, but it's nothing much. But my point is that, like, I would much rather pay commission for better market conditions than no commission and, yeah, having slippage and shit spread, and for the amount of times I've seen Don not being able to execute a trade because Blueberry's down and that, whereas I've never had that with IC Markets once. Now you can have the EU version, it's fine. They still give you 1 to 100 leverage. Oh, 1 to 500, sorry. I believe. But even still, why do you care about leverage? This is something that I keep thinking about, right? Why, when people ask me about leverage, why do you need leverage? Unless you're trying to over risk. Yeah, I've got 1 to 500 leverage on IC Markets. Leverage matters for degens. Tesla was good. Yeah, it does. It does. IC Markets Global offers 1 to 1,000. Yeah, but you don't need that. You don't need that. Wade, bro, catch you in a bit. Thanks for coming through. I know it's late for you, so appreciate it. I appreciate it a lot. I'll catch you in. Well, I'll send you a text or something. I'll catch you tomorrow. For you. Yeah, go to exclamation mark broker. There you are. SCXT is in chat. Champ, what's good, bro? How you doing? You need leverage if your stops are like 5 pips and want to risk 1 to 2% of your account. The ICT traders, yeah, I suppose, but like, I don't know. Bro, what is going on? Okay. The 1 hour close on EuroUSD looks nice. We're getting a bottom wick. If we get a bottom wick for this previous 1 hour candle, which is very unlikely, to be honest, we'll be able to take a flip to fill this wick here. 1 hour on gold looks okay. There's nothing that I can take on gold until we close out this range, either on the 30 or below. That's only an 8 pip advantage point. So yeah, nothing I can take. We've got more room with EuroUSD here for sure. There's more room. You can sort of expect us to come back up and fill the top of the range if we get that closure that we're looking for. Oh, sorry, that wick that we're looking for. Apologies. Have you ever traded gold yen? Nah. Never. What's it like? Big bottom wick on gold here. Chat, if there was a bottom wick on the 4 hour here, I'd be thinking about taking a wick entry. But there's not, right? There's not. So for all we know, this could have just been a huge liquidity grab for this 4 hour to come down and flip. Since there's no bottom wick. But if there was, I would have been looking at a wick entry as we come down here, to be honest. Potter gang around? Yeah, well, I don't know. They've been there's only been Voldemort and Snape recently. Everyone else has been a bit missing. I don't know if that's because you've been absent, Tyler. Yeah, a lot of potential today though. A lot of potential. I think we can get something decent here. We're just waiting for some price action to form. Yeah, but it should be good. Should be good. Yeah, also, whilst we are waiting, I've got another vlog coming out either tomorrow or the day after. Actually, it'll probably most likely be Saturday. So if you don't want to miss that and you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss it and you don't miss our live streams from now on. We're providing a lot of education here, a lot of questions in chat that are really helpful for everyone, so I wouldn't want to miss it. And it's free, so big dubs. Someone summon me. What's good, Snape? Voldemort changed his name to Eugene's Beans. Oh, crazy. It's funny. How big of a bottom wick have we got? 6 pips, to be fair. But yeah, it's tough, chat. It's tough because the volumes died down a little bit after news, right? So because of that, it's a little bit difficult to take a trade in the range like we are at the minute. We have a level here too, and we closed respecting that. So it's a little bit difficult for me to take these buys. We'll see how the 15 and the 30 close in 10 minutes, and yeah, and we'll see. Looks like a decent level there. Let me just see quickly. So every time we come and close above this level here, at 108.743, we tend to push up to at least this point here, which is 108.845. How many pips does that give us? That gives us roughly 10 pips. Okay. With that in mind, I think we will place a... Oh, let me get rid of this. We'll have another level here. We'll drop down to the 30. We'll try and take some advantage of the smaller time frame ranges, right? So we can try and take advantage of us closing above this area, pushing up to our break-even point, which is going to be 108.850. If that starts to happen, then we'll look for some positions. But if not, then we'll be waiting. We'll be waiting because we have closed below that level again just now. I want to delete this actually. The wick fill, so we pretty much know where that is, but I don't want to have too much of a messy chart. Makes sense, chat. So we've dropped down to sort of the lower time frame ranges. Well, I mean it's only the 1 out to the 30, it's still not lower time frame, but try and take advantage of a move within the range rather than waiting for the entire range to be closed out of, just because well, I want us to catch them in, you know? Can you use MT4 or MT5 with IC? Yeah, you can, and you can also use C Trader. You can use both, so it's pretty good. Is it best to use a raw spread account or a standard account on IC? I use raw spread, bro. I use raw spread. You still trade range 1, range 2? Yeah, I do, bro. I do. I do, calm. I spent a bit of time trading like you when I was traveling. Bit stressful. Bro paused himself. He's only spread this raw. He paused himself. Surely not. Sweet, sign up now, and it was saying C Trader is a platform, but I prefer MT4 and MT5. Yeah, fair enough, bro. Fair enough. Man, I tried to make all my trip expenses in one day while traveling. Bro, you did more than that yesterday, eh? So you're chilling. You're chilling. But yeah, nah, I'm on that hype too. I'm trying to do the same. Trying to do the same. Pay for dinner whilst you're at dinner type shit. They have a site portal for MT5. Yeah, they do. What's good, Remy, by the way? Good to see you in here again. Good to see you in here. What's happened to the music? It just stopped. Bro, what? Yo, what happened there? How about chat?
Disco turned itself off.
Huh?
The disco turned itself off.
It did, mate, it did. The elevator music. We reached that floor. When the prop firm industry crashes, it becomes even harder. Yeah, that's why you got to diversify, bro. That's why, because of Calm and Wade, I'm checking out futures just in case. In case. Cool, chat, cool. JCap maxed out on all the futures firms. Bro, what? Mad. Mad. That's crazy. What are their max allocations though? Is it like a mil or? I wish you could use like MT5 for futures firms. That'd be sick. Bro, my graphics card wouldn't let Warzone run. My computer's so ass, but I don't even play games to upgrade. All trading is on my phone. Yeah. What's the point then? Only $450 to max out Top Step. Yeah, that's mad. But you have to pay that per month. But then, like, if you've got 600k, right, you get 1%, and you've already got 6 grand. So yeah, it's actually mad. I'm not trying to be a max futures maxi there. I'm not gonna lie. You have 200k account in the prop firm future for $400. No, it's cheaper than that. Josh, what's good, bro? What's good, SG? Is the 1 hour flip to the wick feel a good trade? Potentially, right? Potentially. The only reason I'm not taking it is because on gold, we have a level here and it gives us like, to be fair, it gives us 10, 11 pips. So it's okay. It's a bit choppy for me. I don't know. EURUSD. Oh, where are we? Yeah, we're at a level, so I want us to close above our level first, and then we'll be looking for positions. News today as well, 26 minutes. Wait, what? Yeah, like orange folder, right? Oh no. GBP news. I don't know if that's going to affect gold too much, but we'll watch it, right? We'll watch it. Hopefully it's going to give us some volume. That is a good thing, actually. Good reminder, Calm. Yeah, red, yeah, but it's GBP. I suppose it will have a minor impact. Oh, it will have an impact on gold. And Eurusd potentially. So we'll watch that. If anything, it will just bring volume into the chat, which will be nice for sure. One pip move is $12.50. It depends on what size. No. Oh, on S&P 500. Okay. Yeah, I'm not going to be trading that, bro. I'm still just going to be trading gold. I'm not going to change the way I trade. I'm literally just changing. Well, I'm not changing anything. I'm just exploring another avenue, right? I've still got all my prop firms on Forex too. Because in the UK, we've got no issues with meta quotes or any of the brokers yet. Yeah, right. But we've got no issues. Only like the US lot that have trouble with that. So nothing's going to change, right? And you probably won't even notice a difference. So I think we might just be ranging a little bit before news here. News is in 15 minutes now, so stay posted, chat. It's there's going to be a lot of volume coming into the market soon, and we should get some setups, which we will definitely take advantage of. Only problem what I have is the personal account problem. What's the personal account problem? Oh, the tax. Yeah, I know. Reicher's Toya, huh? Reicher's Toya? I can't pronounce it, but yeah. Mad tax in Germany, huh? Cool, chat. So, we are 1 like off 50 likes. Someone just click the like button for me. Thank you. But yeah, chat. We got 15 close here. See what it did. Okay, just still in the range on both of them. I think we're gonna wait until news in 15 minutes. Should bring a lot of volume into the markets. But chat, definitely not time to jump off right now. We're just about to get to the good bit, right? We're about to get to the exciting bit where the volume comes in. So wait and see. You pay tax for trading. Yeah, you have to pay tax on your profits, right? The government's not gonna let you get off that easy. Tax on props are more no because it's classed as income tax instead of capital gains. Yeah, but the good thing about that is you get a personal allowance because you don't really get the personal allowance on capital gains in the UK is only 3k now, whereas you get like 12k personal allowance for income. So if you don't work, then yeah. But also you can just put it through a company, right? And then it's just profits. I'm from Jersey in the Channel Islands. Bro, I spent every summer in Jersey when I was a kid. I spent a lot of time in Jersey. So, what's good? I don't know. Yeah, it's a tax haven. I know someone with a house there. That's mad. I'm born and raised. Crazy, bro. Crazy. So, you know, like Chris MD. But yeah, nah. Spent a lot of time there. Robbie, what's good, bro? Good to see you in here again, man. Good to see you in here. Glad to see you putting in the work, you know? Coming back every day. I love to see it. I love to see it. What are you trading today? I've got a rest day, right? So I'm probably gonna just do some cardio or something, and then not really do much. Do abs probably. That's it, SG. We'll do everything in my power to learn. Just that when Don streams, he talks so fast, I have to rewind it and hear him. But the liquidity concept is something I want you to help me. Yeah. What do you want to know about liquidity? Just like why you need it or what? Raise. I'll catch you in a bit. Yeah. Leaving me as always. Guy. This guy. Badge, what's good, bro? Good morning. How you doing? What's good? What's good? What's good? Can you please talk about why you need it and when you need it and when it's okay to take a trade without it and how to analyze the charts with liquidity, please? Yeah, sure. So I think one of the main concepts that we have, right, is like wicks grabbing liquidity. For example, this, right? This is the reason why we wait for a bottom wick, right? The reason we want a bottom wick is to know that we've grabbed liquidity before pushing up, and you have to grab liquidity before pushing up. Imagine it as like fuel for a car, or I like to imagine it as like a slingshot, right? So you know, you have a slingshot, you have to pull it back before you send it flying forwards. If you pull the slingshot back only a little bit, it's only going to just drop out when you let go. Whereas if you pull the slingshot back really far and you let go, it's going to go flying, right? And that's how you can imagine liquidity, right? So when you get a pullback like this, obviously this is a huge liquidity grab. The moment this candle flips, it's going to drive up, right? Because you've grabbed so much liquidity, so much power, that the price got nowhere to go, right? It wouldn't have rejected down here so heavily and pushed up if it wasn't going to continue upwards. So it's grabbed the orders, grabbed all of these sell orders down here, stopped them out, all that sort of thing. Stopped out all the buys, sorry. And then, yeah, we're pushing up. Now, the way that you can use that is you can say that looking in the past, where have we grabbed our wicks from? So we can look to the left and say, right, every time we close above this level, where do we need to grab our bottom wick from? And you see on average that it's down here. Let me get my drawing tools out quickly. You get these tools out quickly. Cool. So you see in the past that every time we've closed above here, we've come down to this level just below the zone to grab our liquidity. Similar thing like down here, you know, similar thing here. You can say that you're looking at this area to grab liquidity. Now, this is not the best example because it didn't really come down that far to grab anything. But if we keep looking, right, if we keep looking, we can see that before we drove up every time in this range, every time before we drove up, we needed to tap this area down here. Same thing here, similar area. Same thing here, similar area. So yeah, you can then use that to understand which zone you need to tap before you can take trades. And this is also how you can get wick entries, right? So in that case, our zone would be in this area over here. And yeah, that's essentially how we use liquidity. I hope that makes sense for you. If you have any more questions, just ask, obviously. Not a problem. Bro, this chat is 90% German right now. Try to keep it, if you have to explain something in German, then do it, but try to keep it English for the most part, right? Yeah, appreciate it. Otherwise, people feel left out, right? People feel like you're talking in code. No, I know it's about tax. I can read it, bro, but I'm just saying, like, if the whole chat looks German, everyone's gonna be like, Captain, what's good? I can't even pronounce that. Yo, son, lei, homa. What language is that? Chinese? Like Mandarin, I mean. That said Fumpsig. Yeah, Cantonese. Oh, crazy Cantonese. Cool. Chung, Jeffy, what's good, bro? What's good, brother? DJ Wakita, good to see you again. Abido, good to see you. Christian, what's good? What's good, chat? Good to see everyone here. What's good? What's up, SG? I'm good, bro. How are you? How are you, DJ? The Wazdi cat. Oh, crazy, bro. You made me read that out. You got me. Shit. Josh. Surely not. Hey, SG, what's up? I just hopped in. Christian, what's good, bro? How you doing? How's your morning? Yeah, we're pushing here. Pushing. We got news in 5 minutes, right? This we have GBP news in 5 minutes. So the volume's coming in. The volume is coming in. Look how we wanted to take a wick entry down here as well. But we didn't take it because we understood that it wasn't the right position to take one due to the 4 hour. Now look at what's happening. This 4 hour could flip with news for all we know. So we did the right thing, right? We remained disciplined and yeah. Stick to the plan. That's all I can say. Thanks, bro. Now, SG, my bro. When Don talks about for price to go down/up, we need liquidity on a higher time frame, and he also talks that price has to go up on daily and the flip. How does he know? That's just what I just showed you, bro. So look, we just look in the past, right? So we look in the past to see what we needed to do before price pushed up. Let's go on the daily. It's easier to explain on the daily. So look, every time before we drove up out of this, wait, let me do gold. Sorry. Every time before we drove up out of this range, what did we do? Well, I know it looks a bit choppy now because I've got all these lines in here, but let me hide this. Let me show you. So we explained this earlier in the analysis, but I'll go through it one more time. We're in this wider range, right? Actually, be up here. In this wider range, every time before we pushed up and filled the range or even broke the range, what did we do? Well, it's quite obvious to see that every time before that, we needed to come down here and grab some liquidity. So we grabbed liquidity here, here, and here, faked out, and then pushed up. On the higher time frames, these are just wicks, right? But we came down, grabbed that liquidity before pushing up. So now you can say, we explained this earlier in the analysis at the start. I said that since we have come down already and grabbed this area, it's likely that we're going to see us continue to push up and fill to the top of this next range up here. So we're just mirroring previous moves, right? If you look, let me do this. They're just mirrors, right? We just look at the previous market and take screenshots of what we've seen, and we recognize the patterns and see if they're going to happen again. So we have move number 1, move number 2, and then this could be move number 3, and they're all similar moves, right? They're all similar. I hope that makes sense, Robbie. Also, in a ranging market, liquidity is important, and on a trending market, it doesn't require liquidity. It doesn't mean he doesn't require liquidity, right? There is liquidity in the market when we're trending hard because volume's pushing us, right? So there's enough people coming into the markets to push price. He doesn't need a bottom wick. That's essentially what he's saying. Yeah, that rejection on gold is crazy. Same on Eurusd too. Can't lie, 2031 is becoming a really strong resistance this week. Yeah, it is. It is. If this 1 hour candle had a top wick, we could potentially think about getting sales, but I can't take sales. like this at the minute. What if we go to the highest high, like all time? How do we compare a mirror? We don't, bro. That's the thing. We don't. That's why I don't want gold to break previous highs, because there's nothing up here, right? There's no structure. Once you get up here, you have to wait for it to form its own structure. You have to wait for, you know, closures, and it will form a range eventually. And then once it does that, then you can start looking at positions. But once you're in, it's called price discovery, right? When you're trying to make new highs, it's called price discovery. And yeah, you don't have no data, so there's nothing you can do. Appreciate you, mate. Love you, bro. Yeah, you too, bro. You too. Pad Thai, happy ending. Exclamation mark pose and exclamation mark hose. Yeah, we'll get that going for you if you want. Got it, bro. Thanks again. All good, brother. Good questions, man. I never have any problem with people asking questions. So 4-hour flip incoming. If we pull back a little and made a top wick for this 30-minute, it could be in there in the fake out. Yeah, potentially, right. The only problem is it's like it's range 1 for me, but we'll see. Yeah, if we get the right setups, then for sure, because we are still in this range. We need closures and we need to wait for news too. Okay, well, this is news. I don't think it's going to do anything. Let's see what it's doing. Yeah. Cool. Right. We need a top wick as well on this candle. Otherwise, there's not much I can do. This the 1 hour still has absolutely no top wick. So at any given point, this can flip. We will most likely be waiting for the 4-hour close for our positions today. But yeah, that's what we'll be looking for, to be honest. Yeah, we're getting close to 700 subs. I'm not gonna lie. We're on 680. I'm pretty sure at the start of the week we were on like less than 500. So that might have been the week before, but we were on about 500. So big W's. Appreciate you all. Let's see if we can hit 700 by the end of the week. Morning chat. Good morning, SG. What's good, mate? Ja, what's good, bro? What is good? How are you? How's your morning? I think it's coffee time for me. Yeah, fair enough. Go grab one. M.R. Crazy. Crazy. What a musician, that guy. Sheesh, reaction. Yeah, I know. You took those buys up. W, bro. Good stuff. Good stuff. A lot of potential here today, though, chat. I'm not gonna lie. A lot of potential. So, let's keep hunting, right? Let's keep hunting. We're gonna wait for closures to form. Once they do, be looking. Be looking. DJ, you missed the new game as well, bro. Played a new game yesterday. I don't know if you were there.
Oh, what happened?
We got a new game that we play at the end of stream every day. It's called Pix Letters.
Hicks what?
Pix Letters like this. I'll show you how to play it later. It's pretty fun. I enjoyed it. I think chat enjoyed it too. So we're gonna make it our ritual now. Okay. Routine at the end of the day. But chat, it's not that time.
Better than Rocket League.
Huh?
Better than Rocket League.
Yeah, maybe. Mate, I was one game off champ on Rocket League last night. I was proper sweating. And then I joined my mate who's terrible at the game, and we got ranked down, so
good.
That game is sick, but easily better than Rocket League. Yeah, W then. Scotch egg, not Scottish egg. What are you talking about, Eugene? It's absolutely horrible weather outside. I don't know if it's the same for you, TJ.
Yeah, shit, mate.
Absolutely pouring it down. So grey as well.
Yeah, it's grey.
I can't wait to get to a tropical paradise.
I heard that you were going to Australia.
Yeah, I will do.
When are you there?
I don't know yet. So my plan is, like, I've got one of my mates has moved. Well, I think he's moved today or tomorrow to Australia for the year. One of my mates from when I was a kid. And yeah, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna be in Bali. I'm gonna be in Asia anyway, so I may as well just pop over to Australia quickly, have a little gander.
Ganders.
We'll do a little link up, me, you, Jeanette.
Christmas time, I'm going.
Yeah, it might be. Yeah, that might be all right.
Sweet.
I think it's like a pretty cheap flight from Bali to Australia. Like, I think it's like 30 quid or something. I don't think it's very expensive.
Whereabouts are you going to Sydney?
Oh, I don't know.
Is this like a...
It's a big difference, I know, yeah.
Yeah.
No, I know. It's wetter
It's
than...
not like you just pop to the other side.
Yeah, no, it's not. It's not. Yeah, I said it's wetter than Stevie Wonder's toilet seat. That's a good one. I haven't heard that before. Fair enough. Pissing it down, yeah, indeed. Are you in or out of London? I'm just outside. Just outside. Cap, you too. Cap, you too, obviously.
I'll take the little dinghy out. We'll go out for the day.
Yeah. No, Cap, I'm sorry. I didn't leave you out. I just saw your chat. Obviously, you're in there.
Yeah, bring your laptop, SG. We'll go out. We'll take a boat out for the day. We'll trade of an evening on the boat. Oh man, that'd be sweet. Host a stream.
A yacht or a boat? Like a dinghy?
No, we'll get a boat, not a proper boat.
Okay,
There's
good.
gonna be 4 of us on there.
All right, good. I was gonna say, I'm not like taking my laptop on some tin can. That'd be sick though. I want to do stuff like that. I really want to do like streams from magical places. Kayak, yeah, for sure. Very gonna be streaming on a canoe. Yeah, I might become one of those like extreme lifestyle streamers, you know, like end up streaming and then climbing a mad mountain or bungee jumping or some shit. Imagine taking a trade whilst bungee jumping. Or like, what else could you do? On the side.
Especially if gold dropped as quick as you did.
Yeah. Oh yeah,
Using
that's
bias.
a sick video. Yeah, that would be cool. Chat, we're 5 viewers off 100 viewers. W. Tell your friends. Tell your mum. Tell your dad. Tell everyone. Would be a sick YouTube video trading CPI while skydiving. Yeah, especially if the news was negative too, and if you started going down, you could edit it so like you have the candle here and then you next to it like flying down. Sick idea, but I'm never skydiving in my life. No chance.
What?
What do you mean
Why
what?
not?
What do you mean why not?
Why would you not do that?
Bro, jump out of a plane from like massively high in the air. There's no chance.
Yeah.
Or maybe.
You need to grow a set.
Grow a set.
Yeah.
Would you go swimming with crocodiles?
But the chance, like, what's the chances of death jumping out of a plane is nowhere near as high as crocodiles.
I bet it is. I bet it's higher.
No way. I don't believe your shit.
Tell TJ to stop peeking the snipers. George says. Chance of death skydiving. 1 per 100. Okay, that's not too bad odds.
Yeah.
That's alright then. That's alright. Chance of death. Swimming
with crocs.
With crocodiles.
1 in 1.
Sharks. Let's see sharks. See?
Mate, yeah.
Way less rare
Mate,
to be.
I actually see a thing, right? More people get killed in England
by cows,
than they do in Australia by sharks. How crazy is that?
True. True. See? I'd much rather swim with sharks. I want to see like a big blue whale or something. Yeah, like swim next to it. That'd be wavy.
What was that film where that little kid got eaten by a whale? Do you remember that? He lived in a whale for a while.
No, I thought you were talking about Free Willy, but it's not that. I don't know. That was a great film there. Chance of death in a car is way more dangerous than skydiving. Maybe. Can I be in your stream? I'm in your Discord server. Do you mean Zoom? If you want to be in the Zoom, you have to join the coaching group, which is the reason for that is there's like 100 people here, so I can't have 100 people in the Zoom.
I don't get what you mean, Cap. I'm lost.
Peter, oh sorry. Peter, what's good, bro? Good to see you here. New subscriber, appreciate it. New subscriber, and I'm liking what I'm seeing. Are you going to be trading around this time daily? Are you part of DVS by any chance? I think I just heard you mention Janez. Yeah, bro. So I trade this time every day. I trade after Janez about 8:30 a.m. UK time every single day. I don't know what time that is for you, but same time every day. I've been doing it for the last couple of months. And yeah, I'm a part of DVS. I'm a content creator for DVS, along with, you know, us, Kieran, Janez, Wix, and Don, obviously. Yeah.
Yeah, where is Huss? I haven't seen him in a while.
Yo, Doc, what's good? Yeah, Huss is he's working. He's got some stuff he's working on, so he's like super busy.
Fair enough.
Super busy. Eugene, that's a terrible spelling of milligram, by the way, just so you know. But it would kill you, yeah. Waiting for closures here, chat. Just waiting for closures. There's a lot of potential, right? So stick around. Stick around for sure. Can we hit 75 likes, chat? Let's see. Let's see. We need 14 more. Be a great achievement. We've got a 4-hour closure in 17 minutes, so there's a lot of potential on this. If we close back inside the range on gold, we can potentially look for some sells, to be honest. Come down at least, if we close like this, at least to grab a bottom wick on the 4-hour. That's a pretty good trade. If we close bearish, however, on the 4-hour, then what we'll be looking for is we'll be looking for a top wick and then an onion play to continue downwards, if that happens. In terms of Euro USD, if we close like this, in back above this range, we will be looking for a bottom wick and then a wick fill potentially. But if we close back below this range, then we'll be looking for the similar play with the sells on gold. So yeah, that's what we're looking for. Matt, what's good, bro? Good to see you in here. Morning, mate. All good. Good, good, good. Glad to hear it, bro. Glad to hear it. We'll try and get more frequent. All good, brother. Thanks for showing your support. Thanks for being in here. Saw the mountains, right? What does MIA stand for? What, like in the army? Or what? Missing in action? Yeah, it does. It's like an army term, right? You have like KIA and then MIA. Killed in action and missing in action. AFK. Yeah. I'm not sure they use that in the army too much, but yeah. DTF. It's a good one. DJ's always DTF.
Done for the day or the other one?
Nah, just DTF. The other one.
Oh, yeah, always.
DNF did not finish. Good acronym usage here, chat. DNR, do not resuscitate. Yeah. Good on, Tyler.
Eugene Junior's a sheep.
Yeah, I was gonna say. Cool, chat. Cool. I know as well, we're having a little bit of a waiting period, right? So you get a few people that dip off, but I know somehow, if we get a trade, they always just appear out of nowhere. I don't know how they know we're getting a trade. Just magic, but we'll see him hop back in. Let's go. Got some volume here though, chat. I'm not gonna lie, the 1 hour is pushing. Bit of a rejection here. Let's see how we close. We have to wait for this 4 hour close now. That's vital, right? You don't want to be taking trades now. Be unpredictable close to the 4 hour close. Because you don't know if this candle's going to open with a top wick or a bottom wick, right? So if you get in sales here, you might open up and break the highs. Yeah, and if you do that, if you break the highs, then you know that would probably be your stops. So you don't know. But then again, if you took buys, you might open up with a big bottom wick and hit your stops. So what we have to do is we have to wait for the 4 hour close, and then yeah, see how it opens up. Yes, sir, I'm here. Good stuff. Good stuff, volume. I'm sure someone in the stream has a group like potential trade now and everyone joins. Yeah. Someone's got a group with every streamer. And then all they need is one person watching. Captain, do you even take a break? You're a free. Yeah, I know. He's a goat, right? He's a goat. He's out and about doing everything. Mod God. Captain Mod God, for sure. See him on every stream of DVS, yeah, I know. Putting in the work, man. Exclamation mark, Captain. What do you want it to say, Captain? I'll get you on. Just tell me what you wanted to say. I'll let you decide that. Alright. We'll see. We'll see. Do a poll, SG. Poll for what? what to put for for Captain Singh? Maybe. I don't know what the options are there. Cool, chat. Cool. 10 minutes to this 4-hour close. Any questions from any of you, chat? Anything you want to know? We had a lot of good questions earlier, so feel free to ask any more if you want. What's your favorite Monopoly symbol? It's got to be the car. Got to be the car. Yeah, SG he's using. Can anyone say? What does that mean? SG, do you trade US30? Nah. I don't. Just gold and EURUSD, 2 pairs. Decent poker hand, 2 pairs. Probably doing a nice bluff with two pairs. Mine's the dog. Spare, nice. Buy or sell there. Flip a coin, Tyler. Ask Siri, actually. Beyond says, yeah, do you look for a level on the 4-hour close on Euro? Which you should close above. Yeah. See, right? So our level actually is the level that we're looking for on the 4-hour close. This level here, we should be looking for anything above here would be okay to take us up. We can take buys up to fill the top of the next range. At least come up to, yeah, this level here. But we need a big bottom wick for this one, because this is also, we're still in the same range, right? We haven't actually broken out of a range. We still just stayed in the same range. So obviously our original buys were here, but since the 4 hours left a big wick, what I'm suggesting isn't like a buys above breakout play. I'm suggesting that we might be able to get a bottom wick and then a wick fill for the 4 hour, but everything has to play out right for that to happen. The same with gold, right? Once we close below this level on the 4 hour, we should be able to, if we get a top wick, we should be able to get some sells for us to come down and eventually grab this bottom wick at 2028. That gives us a good, like, I think 20 pips. Yeah, a good 20 pips. So we're looking for something like that on the 4 hour on gold. SG, the starting cause of people using Siri to trade. Yeah, for real. There's a trader from London who said he wants to do a challenge where he gets a chicken to choose buy or sell. Would be jokes. Bro, I'm trying to do that with my I'm trying to do an Instagram series about that. I was going to do it a while ago, but I never actually did it. I'm trying to do my followers pick my trades. I think it could be interesting. W content idea, cool. Yeah, if you lot like it, I'll do it. I'll do it if it sounds good. Yeah, it's a funny idea. I think it could be quite good, to be honest. We'll see. I've got 5 minutes now to this 4-hour close. But with very low risk, right? Yeah, I mean it's not a thing to make money, right? It's a thing to I don't know, just for entertainment. I'd probably do it on a prop firm challenge and just try and pass the challenge with it. If I failed, it doesn't really matter, right? Favorite type of news event? It's gotta be CPI. Mate, on gold, would you not set your buys to above the 4-hour high? Similar level to the wicks it rejected off of previous. You mean here? Or what? Or up here? My levels are here because every time we close above this range, we come up to 20 to 37, right? So there's a good 30 pip range for us to capture. And this level here, the reason why we can't, well, we could take buys if we close above here as well, but it has to be on the 4-hour because the 1-hour is chalked, right? Yeah, I mean, yeah, we could take buys above here, but I don't know. At the minute, this rejection is so heavy that I'm starting to look for sells as well. Captain Command should just say the monkey emoji, yeah. Funny. Last Friday, wick highs. Yeah, above here, right? Yeah. Potentially, right? Potentially, but that's another level. This is another range, so we have, look, we have 30 pips from here to here. Alright, this is last Friday's wick highs. It's the same place. Yeah, here. Right, but if we close above here, then why not take advantage of this 30 pip range up to actually make that wick? So that's what we're looking for. And then, yeah, if we closed above here, above this blue line, then, yeah, we would look for buys there too. Oh, you're just asking about levels. Yeah, no. So, still good, bro. Still good. Yeah, this is another level, right? Like here. I've only got a blue line there because I put that for a little target. Sometimes I use that blue line for my target line, just in my head. SG captain trades 10 lots on US 30. Oh yeah, 5 to 10 lots. I'm assuming it's much more than Don trades 30 on gold as 100 pips. Stops don't hit, but US 30 it will hit more often than not. It's 10 times more volume. Yeah, but the thing is, right, the lot sizes are different from US 30 and gold. So you have different contract sizes, so you're risking a different amount of money. One lot on US 30 is not very much, whereas one lot, like in comparison to one lot on gold. So yeah, it's just a bit different, right? I wouldn't spend time comparing the pairs. I just like try and figure them out. Contract size is the same. Depends what broker you're on, Cap. Yeah, lock it in, chat. You're right. Thanks, Noodle Holes. 2 minutes left. Lock it in. It's time to see what this 4-hour does. What are you munching on there, TJ?
Bacon roll.
Oh, mate.
Some of them crusty rolls as well, man. I love a crusty roll.
Yeah, you got ketchup in there or what?
I've got ketchup in there. I was debating brown sauce, but I'm a bit of a if it's just bacon, it's ketchup. If anything else, so it's bacon and egg, then it's brown sauce.
Oh, mate. That's interesting.
You can't beat a lot of bit daddies or HP.
Yeah. Oh. I'm not a big fan of brown sauce, I'm not gonna lie. Not my cup of tea.
Have you had like a bacon sausage egg with brown sauce in a
I'm a ketchup roll? Purist.
Nah, you're letting the tight side down, SG.
Bacon sausage egg with ketchup.
No,
It's
gotta
still,
be brown
it's
sauce,
elite. No hash brown in there. Oh, that's a good shout from Matt. Hash brown is
Nah.
different gravy.
Yeah, I might have to sack me mum, mate. She's not getting hash browns at the minute.
You know what I miss? Yeah, I haven't eaten McDonald's in like 3 years, but I miss the McDonald's like breakfast bagel.
I see a thing that they because they were done a wrap, but then they've took it back off the menu.
Yeah, because it sold out or some shit.
Oh, I never even got to try it.
Who declared? Yeah. Yeah. Ketchup and brown sauce from Tyler. That's a weird suggestion.
That's called being greedy, that is.
Yeah, that is. Right, chat, lock it in. We've got 9 seconds here to this closure. Let's see how we open on both pairs. If we get a decent enough bottom wick on EURUSD, we'll be looking for buys here. I know that the previous 1 hour is bearish, but this is a 4 hour play, right? We're looking at it on the 4 hour. Lock it in. Cool. Let's see. So gold, we need a top wick rather than a bottom wick, right? Oh, pushing down a little bit here, chat. Let's see, where do we need to tap into? I would say, as long as we're... Yeah, interesting. See, like the previous one that we've closed above, sorry, came down to around 108.394. That's a bit far though. I don't think we'll get that today. As long as it touches the bottom of this zone, I think we'll be okay. So I want to at least just see us tap into here. What's stops going to be? Thing is with stops as well, it can't be below this previous 4 hour because there's no bottom wick on the previous 4 hour. So for all we know, it could just come down, make that bottom wick, and then flip up. So it's going to be like 30 pip stops. It's all right. It's all right. In terms of gold, looking okay. Trying to see here, chat. I need a big enough top wick on gold too. SG, bro, is a goat and a good human being. Thank you, brother. You too. Chat, DMs on where? Oh, your time. Yeah, bro, that's fine. I saw the same thing. Fine. You don't have to. Yeah, cool, Cap. All good. Oh, double click. Yeah, let's see. We need a bit of volume here, to be honest. Need a bit of volume. Thank you, champ. Very nice of you to say. I'm out, big man. Have a good rest of the stream. See you in Don's. Yeah, bro. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. TJ, you got me hungry now. Gonna have to go make some food. After stream. Okay, chat. We've flipped on your USD here. Because of that, there's nothing I can take. Fast you, madhead. It's 10 AM. Tyler, I'm cutting though. I'm hungry. I've been on a cut for the past like 2 weeks and I'm getting hungry now, so... Let's see what gold can do, actually. Can gold give us a top wick and then we play for this wick fill? Let's see. Yeah, it would be 17 pips to take advantage of. Morning SG, morning Quinton, bro. What's good? Good to see you in here. The results you have on screen, trades taken, are those for the month or for this week? This is for the month. We haven't actually been getting many trades in London recently because of the way the market's set up. Normally, normally we get more, especially like Q2, Q3, Q4. In December, we'd get like a trade every day in London. Well, I wasn't streaming them, but I would get a trade every day in London, let's say. So yeah, it's a bit of a down period in terms of trades at the minute, but it is what it is, right? We're going to stick to our plan and stay accountable. The other thing is most of the trades that I am taking are getting called out in the signals, or in the coaching group. I give my signals there too, as well as the coaching. So yeah, we get a trade almost every day in there. But yeah, so to answer your question, it's for the month, not the week. This is just my record, right? And then if I get trades, I do like put something else on, but it's fine. Yeah, same. Very unfortunate again. No trade for me in London. Was so close to getting something on gold at 9 o'clock or 8 o'clock for me. Yeah. Nah, it's just unfortunate at the minute, right? It's just unfortunate. Cool. Let's see, chat. Let's see. Still potential, chat. I'm not gonna lie. Still potential. We're gonna wait for some 30 closures to happen now, or maybe some 15 closures actually. So we'll wait another 10 minutes. See how it's going on. We got a nice little onion setup forming here on the 15 minute, and potentially a celery. So we'll see if we can catch anything for sure. Let's see. Let's stay locked in, chat. Stay locked in. Definitely potential today. There's going to be a lot of volume throughout the day as well. News later is going to bring so much volume. Should be good. Definitely be good. We have a nice fake out here, but it just didn't give us enough of a top wick for us to take it, unfortunately. We should fill this range to the downside though, I believe. At least to 2026 areas. Just money dance later. Maybe. Maybe. Putting a song request in or what? Very funny. Coffee is slapping right now. What do you make? The regular coffee or what? Actually use MT5. Yeah, I do. I use MT5. I'm also going to be looking at C Trader, but I'm not too focused by it. I do like MT5 to be honest. And then in terms of when I go onto futures, I'll be using TraderBait, but I'll check that out first and let you know how it is. For sure, I will do that. I'll let you know 100% how it goes. Took 2 Zs in 10 minutes. I'm getting the port and I'm extending it. Yeah. Nice little Prado bar there. Extend it. D-Trader is amazing. Yeah, I've heard good things, right? Heard good things, but I do like MT5, I'm not gonna lie. Listening to him right now. I thought you were listening to me. What's going on? I'm not sure what coffee beans they are. Fair enough. Fair enough. Yeah, if we start to push up here, no FOMO, right? No FOMO. It's not our trade to take, so don't be worried about any of that. Any of that nonsense. Got Fred in the background, don't worry, I'm locked in. That's what I like to hear. That's what I like to hear. Boo, you are the bean boy. Yeah, true. True. But chat, even if we don't get anything today, right? Even if we don't, I'm not saying we won't, we're still hunting at the minute, but even if we don't get anything, been a good stream, right? An educational one so far, so that's all that matters. Anyway, SG, what are you thinking of whizzing up for breakfast? For brekkie? Bro, I'll probably go protein oatmeal. I've been snacking on that for breakfast recently. Banging, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I've got so many things in the works that I want to tell you about, but I can't at the minute. But I feel like I'm talking to like the boys, you know. I wanna tell you stuff, but there's a lot coming. So all I'm saying is stay tuned. Stay tuned. Is that just oats and protein powder? Nah, so it's like tell Mika, yeah, maybe. No, I do like, yeah, oats, and then like put them in the microwave, and then they heat up obviously, and then I put like, yeah, protein powder and maybe some like peanut butter, but that's about it. It's banging though. It's actually, it tastes way better than it seems. Got crazy. We're only 14 subs off 700 subscribers. That's mad. We're growing so fast. So appreciate you all. If you haven't subbed already, make sure to click that button. Click the little bell as well. Then you get notifications when I go live and when I post videos. Cool, no, I was just asking as I didn't know whether you had an actual branded box of protein oats. Banging there, macros on point. Yeah, bro, it's really good food, especially before the gym. Whoa, what did I just pin? Not mean to pin that from you, but yeah. Pin the Nightbot message there. What's your playbook? AFJ, what's good? Welcome. So I trade the old DVS playbook, if you know it, and then I have some few alterations of my own which I trade, but I trade on the 30 and the 1 hour normally, sometimes on the 15 but rarely. Yeah, Yeah, that's what I trade. Did you make your personal playbook in a Google Doc or something? Nah, bro. I just know it. Like, I have rules of like, I have my trading rules written down somewhere, but now I know them as well. So, you know, like, I don't need to look at it. But no, I didn't really write it down. I just know it. I just have it in my head. It takes too long to do all those drawings and shit. But chat, lock it in. We've got 4 seconds to this 15-minute close here. There's a nice onion set up for me. See if we can grab something here. See if we can grab a top wick, and then the break of these lows will be our entry. Potential here, chat. Potential. Lock it in. We need some volume to come into the market there, and we need to not break these lows with without a top wick. Those are the 2 things that we need. Yeah, zucchini. Oh yeah, it is. I've got a massive Google folder full of notes, playbooks, rules, and yeah. Nice, bro. Nice. Thoughts on Don? Well, he's the GOAT, man. He's my mentor. So he's a good trader, right? Very good trader. Yeah, chat, we broke the lows here without making a top wick. I can't take this. I want to see what size. It would have been a good position as well. Yeah, that's tough. That's tough, chat. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, thoughts on Don? Nah, he's a great trader, right? Great guy too. Helps a lot of people out. Helps a lot of people change their lives, right? He changed my life by joining DVS, you know. So yeah. Nothing bad to say about him at all. Were you disciplined from the start, or have you ever blown accounts before? Brother, I've blown numbers of accounts, like a lot of funded accounts. I, from the start, went to fundeds when I should have done personals. That was the one thing I kind of regret. But I blew a lot of funded accounts, yeah, because I didn't know how to trade properly, and I also didn't know how to trade funded accounts properly. So yeah, everyone does it, right? Everyone does it. If you haven't done it, then you're elite. Like that's pretty sick if you haven't blown a funded account yet. So yeah, I wouldn't stress if you have blown accounts, but no, I definitely wasn't just disciplined from the start. It's not like I'm anything special, right? I just worked on it. Literally it, chat. Cool, SG is human, everyone. Yeah. Big time. Sell stop. Nah, no sell stop for me, because this blue line. Nah, it was just that was earlier. That would have been, if we did get this play here, we would have had our break-even point there, but it came down without a top wick. So we're gonna have to wait for the 30 close. Potentially we can wait till the 1 hour close. We'll see. You got a Discord? I do indeed have a Discord. Send it in. Trading coaching subscription. Can I pay in GBP? Yeah, you can, bro. You can. It just automatically converts it, right? So like, you put your bank stuff in, it'll just like do it automatically. I don't think you have to pay a fee or anything. I don't think you have to pay a fee. I have a few, like, yeah, there's a few people from the UK that have paid for it, and they had no problems. Pushing there, chat. I think I'm gonna invest. Cheeky. See you in there. Yeah, I appreciate all your support massively, by the way. Whilst we have some time to wait, it means a lot to me, right? There's a lot of interaction in the chat, a lot of support. We're growing very, very fast, so I love to see it. Order stop spin on. Yeah. Rough. I can't take that yet either. The 1 hour just doesn't look. Yeah. +100 watching. Yeah, W's. Absolute W's, chat. We're waiting for this 30 closure here, so we got 10 minutes. 10 minutes until we do see that 30 closure. Looking for a closure below this body here on gold, and then if we get a decent top wick, we'll take some sales to eventually come down and fill this 1 hour wick here. In terms of EURUSD, we're looking for us to push up. But first, obviously, we need a closure and then a bottom wick and then a flip. Like it up, chat. Yeah, Matt's right. Like it up. SG, bro, you will have 100k subscribers soon. I will be there. Hopefully. Hopefully, bro. It's going to take a while, but I'm sticking around, right? I'll be here for the long run, so yeah, we'll see. We'll see for sure. We shall see. Why do you think no SMC/ICT traders stream? Interesting question, right? I think some do, to be fair. I think some do, but I also think that I'm not gonna shit on anyone's strategy. I know a lot of ICT traders that are profitable and everything. So like, yeah, I think the streaming side of it is more originated from Raja, and to be fair, Don's the biggest Forex streamer there is, right? So I think the reason there's more streamers is because people see Don and they want to trade like Don and they want to stream like him, you know. But yeah, I don't know. I think there are some ICT traders that do stream. Yeah. Yeah. Cami Capital, Paladin, Tanya trades. But the issue is their win rate is very low. Yeah, they have big RR, right, and low win rate, so I don't know. See you, chat. We've got 7 minutes until this 30-minute close. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, Don just setting the bar, Raja for the roast there. Yeah, true. I mean, Raja started it off, right? And then Don sort of took the baton for a little bit. Well, not for a little bit, but in general. The best SMC traders take time to hit TP, 8 to 12 hours. Mad. Yeah, I'm not sure about SMC to be honest, but is SMC and ICT different? Yeah, SMC, they say they trade like the banks, right? So it's smart money concepts. They're not the same. For SG, ICT hates a guy called Patrick Whelan right now, and he just trades moving averages, trend lines, and VWAP. Yeah, bro. I don't really care about like the rest of the industry, to be honest. I'm locked in on myself and the community that we have, right? I'm not trying to change anything up. I'm not trying to. I network with people, but that side as well is always just really toxic. Like the ICT SMC side is very toxic. I've got a few friends that are big funded traders that trade ICT, but yeah. Five minutes, chat. 5 minutes until we get closure here. The new car pod with burned. Guy says ICT and FVG, etc. All YouTube nonsense. I don't know, bro. There's a lot of people saying a lot of things are nonsense, right? All I know is that we trade a strategy that works. Some other strategies work too, but you can also be unprofitable with our strategy, right? Because mostly about emotions, in my opinion. Like you can have any strategy in the world, but if you're over leveraging or revenge trading, then you're gonna lose, right? Literally simple as that, right? Simple as that. If you have the strategy but you don't have the emotional discipline to stick to that strategy, that's what overtrading is, right? It's the fact that you have a strategy but you're not strong enough to stick to it. And that's why when you take impulse trades or whatever, doesn't mean you're not good at the strategy or you don't know the strategy. Yeah. Damn SG, gold being a big cut right now. Yeah, bro. It's interesting, man. It's interesting. Weird movements. I'm not gonna lie, weird movements. You can still stick to the plan and testings. Of course, bro, of course. Of course. I want to see a streamer trade retail and trend lines. Yeah. I don't know many people that trade trend lines. Trend lines. Now, what I'm saying is he traded for 12 years and only coming to YouTube has he heard of these concepts. Yeah. Maybe there's something weird about that then. I don't know. People will also say a lot of things just to get on like podcasts and stuff though. You gotta take everything with like a pinch of salt. Yeah, we're 3 likes off 75 likes. So if you haven't liked the stream already, please make sure you do. And yeah, I appreciate all of you. 75 likes is crazy though. Thank you very much for when we get there. DJ setup nice. Yeah, I don't trade GJ, but if it's set up nice, take it. Captain Robbie's got your back. But yeah, DTO, it's all good. I know you're just messing around. See how this 30 closes chat and see what we do here. Gold is going to close at our level. Interesting chat, interesting. What we probably need to wait for now then is a closure back above this this level here at 2031.28, and that's going to constitute a fake out for us. So if we get that fake out, we'll definitely get a buy position. I'm tempted to wait for it, I'm not going to lie, chat. I'm tempted to wait for the next closure, which will be in like 15 minutes and 30 minutes, so we'll wait for it. Hello, do you think we can take a sell now on gold at 2030? No, I don't. But Khabib. Nah, we're gonna wait for some buys here, or we're gonna see if there is buys that are gonna form. We'll be waiting for closure back above this level on the 15 or the 30. But we have to wait for it to be formed, right? All we can do. Could be the move. I love that thing. I love that thing. Could be the move. Pringles tube in the bike holder. It's like that Be a Man one too on Instagram is also funny. There's like Be a Man and Could Be the Move. They're both funny. Yeah, no beef in the chat yet. No beef. Everything's alright. I think there's just a misunderstanding. Be nice to each other.
Start putting people in the sin bin.
Yeah. Blue card. Have you seen that blue card that they added into football? I don't know if you follow
I have
football.
heard about it, yeah.
Interesting, isn't it? Like, if you slag off the ref, you get a blue card and you have to go off for 10 minutes.
Mate, I'll tell you what, I went to see like my local ice hockey team play on Sunday. Mate, that kicks off.
Ice hockey?
Yeah.
Yeah. When they fight and shit, it's crazy.
Yeah. They fully like headbutt each other like on the thing. Like this guy just come up and just grabbed him and just nutted him.
You're allowed to like fight each other one-on-one. As long as like until someone's knee hits the floor. And then yeah. But mate,
Yeah,
that's mad.
like,
Imagine like
sin bins there.
yeah. They come out. I've seen a video in like the US of someone playing ice hockey, and they come out the sin bin and instantly just go and scrap each other again. Like,
Yeah.
it's nuts.
It's a good day out.
Yeah, for real. No beef. Come on, Cap. Sort these guys out. We're all good. Come on. Robbie, Tyler's okay, and Tyler, Robbie's okay. It's all good, man. Tyler's only been looking out for you, Robbie. It's fine. Come on, chat. Surely not. Right, chat. I'm gonna call it here. I think. Mad. Yeah, just a misunderstanding. Exactly. If you want a recommendation for an outro song, ZZ. Yeah, ZZ's a good tune. Let's play the. Oh, you know what? I kind of want to wait for this next candle. Oh, we'll see. SG goes to other streamers. What do you mean? Bro, come on. Drop it. Both of you drop it, otherwise that'd be a sin bin.
Sin bin. Done. Both in a 10-minute sin bin.
SG, why do you keep dodging me on RL? George, I'll spank you at Rocket League, I'm not gonna lie. You also haven't asked to play me once, so I can't dodge you if you haven't asked to play me. Actually, you don't want to say that. I've seen George do things to people in a game. What rank are you, George? I'll play you there. I will play you. For sure. I think the devil has visited our stream today. Just nah, the stream's still cool, man. You don't want to know my rank is for your own good. Yeah, I guarantee you're like champ or something, like grand champ or some shit. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But chat, we're gonna wait for another closure. If this yeah, Eurusd, we're probably done for the day. Well, not for the day, for the stream. But gold, if we get a closure back above 2031.1, that's going to be a fake out, and we're going to well, we'll take that for sure. Don't make me bust the beans out. That's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, again though, if we don't get any positions on stream today, I'll be sending some stuff into the group later, or if not, just remember to stick to your plan, okay? Remember to stick to your plan. Don't try and force anything if there's no setups. It's getting to the end of the week. You don't want to ruin your week by taking a dodgy setup. Oh shit, Atomic Habit joined the Signals group. Welcome, bro. Welcome, brother. Welcome to the trade coaching group. Nice to be a part of it. W Atomic Habit. Good stuff, man. I'll see you in there. I'll send some messages in there after stream, but welcome, welcome, welcome. Cool. Chat, we're 1 like off 75 likes. Come on. Let's go. Seems stacked today. Don't make me get the beans. Alright. The beans is here. 76 likes. Good stuff. Thank you, chat. I appreciate you very much. Very, very much. You're killing it. You're killing it. Chat, if this 15-minute candle doesn't close back above the range, I will be calling it. But we'll play the little game. Game. And then we'll hop off. But let's see. 5 minutes left. Oh. You know, chat, you can trade soybeans. How mad is that? Imagine trading soybeans. Oh my days. It actually looks alright, you know. Soybeans actually looks alright, I'm not gonna lie. You can trade corn too. How do I trade corn? What's the sign for corn? Just corn? Oh. Oh, that's not right. Can you trade beans? Bean? I don't think so. I don't think you can trade baked beans, Eugene. What the fuck are we doing it? Yeah, fair enough. Yeah, we're waiting for this 15-minute closure is what we're doing. We're waiting for this 15-minute closure. I wanted us to close back in the range, but it's not looking like we're going to do it. We've got 3 minutes. Oh, I say that. We start pushing as I say that. It would be nice if we could. Looking at corn in a live stream. Wow. Wait, you don't trade corn, champ? All the best traders secretly trade corn. That's how we make all our money. ICT started on corn. Yeah. I'm looking at the strangest commodities futures. No way you can trade. You can trade cheese futures. Frozen orange juice futures. Pepper. Sunflower seeds. International skimmed milk powder. Not sure about chat. Yo, just jumped in. We watched corn. Kind of sus, not gonna lie. Yeah, but I just looked at it for a second. You jumped in at a pretty bad time. I can't lie. Please shush, don't spill our corn beans. Yeah, I won't. Cool, chat. You know what? I'm gonna call it here. So let's play this game. We're gonna play a couple of them. So fix letters. Zoom, I might need your help here, and chat as well. PJ, get your thinking cap on. Alright, what are we gonna do? We'll try and finish pack 1 first. Where's Ray's at? Ray's helped me yesterday, but he's oh, you're in the chat. What are we starting with? Oh, yeah, beans. Beans is the starter word. Oh my god. Incredible. TJ, do you know how the game works?
So B is B, E, and N right?
Yeah, so B, E, and N are right, and then the pixels for A, like there's pixels here, but like none of these are here. And then if they're red, then there's not one, I think.
So, oh no, I couldn't actually read that. Okay, all right, I think I get it.
Any suggestions, chat?
B, E. What's got 3 letters at the top?
B, E. Something. Oh. B, E, something, N, something. Can't be bonds as an E. Good guess from Eugene with banana. Right, chat. Any ideas? O?
What could it be? B, E, E, N.
I don't think it can be E.
Because could it not be because you haven't got the pixels on the A for it to be the rest of the E though? Does that?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
So if you was to go E again, N.
Then what?
I don't know. I'm just trying to think the last.
I'm thinking it could be
What? Beanie? No.
Could be an R. Burn. Begin? No, it can't be begin. Bean X. Yeah. Robbie, it's all good, bro. Don't worry. SG, what do you do in your downtime? I don't really have much, to be honest. BE. Chat, help me out here. Being. That's gotta be it, right?
No, because they're.
Oh.
Yeah, but how? Because on the A it says that it's not green.
I think it gives you 3 letters, and then I think like the rest. I don't know.
Hang on. But the thing is that A is not highlighted, so that should eliminate.
That's
that
what I
one there, then,
thought.
surely.
And these 2 bottom ones, but I don't think that's how it works.
Well, that's bullshit.
GG's. Who got it? Tutti Frutti, Eugene. Nice. Josh as well. Next one. Let's go. Come on. What should we start with? Beans again? Oh.
Shit, because that's what the game is.
Right, see, look, now here on the red, like, you have a red one here, so it can't be there. But I think what it does is if it's grey, it could be there, but it's not telling you. I believe that's what it is.
Okay.
Let me see. Grey, those pixels are unknown for now. Letters in this spot may or may not contain those pixels. Makes sense.
Right, okay.
Right, okay, so there's definitely not one there, is what it's saying. Bank? Can't be. There can't be a K on the last spot. On the first try, it only gives you the top line. Is that true? That might be true.
Oh, right, okay.
Might be true. Can't be trade. It's got to be something like a D. No, it can't be a D.
So it could be a H.
The first one can't be a H.
No,
Oh, yeah.
sorry, I meant foreign with the N is.
Foreign, yeah. That could also be like a K, or it could be
Yeah.
anything. You know what? I'm gonna try. Try spank. Oh, okay, good.
Okay. So that's right. So then you haven't.
So there's an S, and then chat. Any suggestions?
That couldn't be an L.
Could be an I, right? Is that all it could be? Or a T? It could be a T.
Start? Nah.
No, because it can't be.
Yeah.
That's got to be like a T or an I, or it's got to be an I. And then, is it an N? Is it stain? Annoyed was good. Good to see you in the chat again.
Yeah, it could be.
Oh,
Oh.
yeah, we're getting there.
Yes.
That's got to be a T, hasn't it?
Could it be state? No, it could be stage. No, it couldn't. Could it? No, it couldn't be stage.
Is that a T? It's either a T or a J, I think. Trying to look at these pixels down at the bottom here. Oh, you can't really see them, chat. Let me move this up a little bit. You can see the pixels properly.
So, could that be?
Oh, you can't
state?
see it anyway.
State? What about
Oh,
state?
Game over. State.
What?
Good shout. Can it be that? I think it can be.
Just thinking because it could be a T.
Wow, well, Robbie got it, and Ray's got it, Tutti Frutti got it. They got it first.
Oh,
Tutti Frutti
nice.
and Ray's. They had that ages ago. My bad, chat. Tutti Frutti's killing it. He's got the last, or he or she has got the last two. But, so, good stuff. We'll do one more. We'll do one more. Come on, chat. You gotta help me out. Help me out again. What are we gonna do? I've just seen Champ's name, so I'm gonna put Champ. Alright, chat. What's going on here? Sound? See you in a bit, Robbie. Thanks for coming in again. I appreciate it. Someone guessed sound, and that looks like it could actually work, you know. If you've guessed this somehow. Oh.
Pound.
What?
Pound.
Is it not found? It can't be a P because there's nothing there.
Oh shit! Yeah. We found it. Yeah.
What, I guess, who guessed that? Who guessed sound? Pitbull. Crazy guess, bro. Crazy guess. Look at this. 100% win rate. 100% win rate. Unless we're playing a super easy one. Cool, chat. I'm going to call it there for the day. Oh, James got state in the Zoom as well. My bad, I didn't see that. But good stuff. Good stuff. So, Zoom, I'm going to catch you all later. I'll say goodbye before I do the intro on YouTube. So thanks for popping through, you lovely, lovely people. I'll catch you, yeah, catch you either tomorrow or on the next one.
Take care.
Chat, thanks very much for pulling up. I appreciate you all very, very much. It was a great stream. A lot of interaction, a lot of education. W yourselves. Thanks for the support. We're growing very quick. Building a nice little community, which I appreciate a lot. But yeah, chat, other than that, make sure you stay disciplined during the New York session and trade wisely. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Pocket so fat, call me Orbit. Orbit. Gotta wait to make no moves, I be loaded. They would be a free one too, I make a move on you, nigga, I be loaded. Ain't gotta wait to make no moves, I be loaded. Why you out here drinking 40s, I just told it. Still that same nigga in a foreign, but it's stolen. Ryan sporty, acting sporty, can't control it. I'm doing fraud, got that bag, yeah, I'm transporting. I got that bag on me, nigga, like I'm transporting. He dropped the mixtape, thought I would've reposted. I ain't posted mixtape, cause I don't fuck with shorty. I be booted till the morning, PM to the morning. My little Wody wanna bag him, he just wanna roll it. Hold up, nigga, don't you owe me? Yeah, you owe me, don't it? Like I'm an island of adventure, how I stay rolling. Tryna diss me, I need you 6 feet. She say she miss me, then she wanna kiss me. Damn, I'm so crispy, Zan got me dizzy. Trouble me, I ain't shy, I keep that glitzy. I was spin bent, yeah, Fritz me. What the lick read, baby, come and lick me. V12, I'm round in a 6 feet. I be ballin' on you niggas out of this league. Ain't gotta wait to make them moves, I be loaded. Why you out here drinking 40s, I just told it. Still that same nigga in a foreign, but it's stolen. Ryan sporty, acting sporty, can't control it. I'm doing fraud, got that bag, yeah, I'm transporting. I got that bag on me, nigga, like I'm transporting. He dropped the mixtape, thought I would've reposted. I ain't posted mixtape, cause I don't fuck with shorty. Yeah, that Glock got it standing like an outlet. How you out, chip? I ain't catch you out yet. I'm so damn fly, I do not step. Yeah, I pop Molly, and I pop checks. I don't know where I'm going, I'm just floating. My dog got gun license, but he let me hold it. All these niggas phone it, I do not condone it. I be going ham, I do not belong it. It's a cool that moment, yeah, bought it cause I wanted it. I be on the corner, yeah, fuck the law enforcement, man. Project baby got no stroller, but I keep pushing. Shawty love for me to choke her when I'm in that pussy.
DA got that dope.
Ice water turn Atlantic. Night calling in a phantom. Told them, hold it, don't you panic. Took an island, left the mansion. Drop the roof, more expansion. Drive a coupe, you can stand. She love bitches undercover. I'm an ass and titty lover. Guess we all meant for each other. Now that all the dogs free, and we out in these streets. Can you do it? Can you pop it for me?
Pull up in a demon on guard. Looking like I still do fraud. Flying private jet with the rod. It's that Z shit, it's that Z shit. Pull up in a demon on guard. Looking like I still do fraud. Flying private jet with the rod. It's that Z shit, it's that Z shit.
Blow the brains out the coop. Polly one on top, but I'm on mute. I'ma bust her wrist down cause she cute. Ice. Fuck her on the yacht, I've been a pool. She an addict for the lifestyle and the paddock. Daddy, have you ever felt Chanel fabric? I be dripping to death, I need a casket. And we got more strikes in the rough, we foul tech em. In the middle of the field like David Beckham. All my niggas locked up for real, I'm trying to help them. When I got a meal, got me the chills, don't know what happened. Pop pill, do what you feel, I'm on that zombie. I'm more like Gaddafi, I'm not no Gundy. I'm more like I'm David Goliath running. Niggas be cloning, I find it funny. Clone, we finna know, straight out the dungeon. We finna know, hey. I go in the mouth, she costing me nothing. 300 the watch is out of your budget. 300. Mean muggin' got me clutching. Yeah, and this stick right out of Russia.
Ice water turn Atlantic. Night calling in a phantom. Told them, hold it, don't you panic. Took an island, left the mansion. Drop the roof, more expansion. Drive a coupe, you can stand it. Bitches undercover.
Yeah, the word demise, nigga. Fuck this niggas talking about, nigga. And when they swing that way to the right, you swing to the left, you heard?
Bobby, yeah.
Woo! Damn, I ain't been broke in a minute. Don't get it fitted. Toe off the bow in a Bentley. Fucking your hoe in the kidney. Fuck up the city. I do not dance or jiggy. Gun is sucked under this Fendi. I like it, I spin it. I just came right out the jewelry, the ice on my neck and my wrist and my fist. I ain't finished. I was just working at Denny's. Came back and counted some millions. I ain't no regular civilian. Red, yellow, green. Look like my neck a chameleon. Okay, spin it. Damn, I ain't been broke in a minute. I hate this bitch, he offended. I'm a Da Vinci offended. Then let me finish. I cracked that Chevy for 40. My scammer busting bottles off the OA. I cannot cuss you fucking on my bros. I'm just gonna fucking treat it like a throwaway. Ooh, damn, I ain't been broke in a minute. I'm at the mall out in business. I need a swipe in the digit.
Appreciate you all very much, chat. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for your support and trade well. See you in a bit.